Welcome to iWorld USA.
Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today we've got something really special on our hands, the 2025 Chevy Nova Sleeper. You might be thinking, wait, isn't the Nova a classic? Well, you're right, but Chevrolet's given this legendary nameplate a modern twist, combining the best of old-school muscle with the latest in performance and tech. Let's dive into this new sleeper that blends in but packs a serious punch. First, let's talk about the exterior. At first glance, the 2025 Chevy Nova might not scream performance car the way some of its muscle car competitors do. It has a clean, almost understated look with smooth lines and a subtle body that lets the casual observer think it's just another compact sedan. The front grille is sleek, with a bit of aggression thanks to the sharp headlights and low, wide stance. The bodywork has that classic Nova charm, but Chevrolet has managed to give it a modern, more refined feel. You'll notice the sculpted side panels and minimal body cladding, making it look both elegant and purposeful. But when you catch sight of those performance wheels and the subtle stance, you know this car is hiding something beneath the surface. Now, let's pop the hood and talk about the performance. Underneath this unassuming exterior, you've got a turbocharged 2.7-liter four-wheel cylinder engine that's putting down some serious power. It's not just a commuter car, folks. This Nova is meant to surprise. We're talking about around 350 horsepower with a 0.60 time in the mid-4-second range, all while maintaining fantastic fuel efficiency. The engineers have paired that engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission that shifts seamlessly, giving you both smooth cruising on the highway and snappy responses when you put the pedal to the metal. Whether you're just enjoying a relaxed drive or really pushing it on twisty back roads, the Nova's performance is going to keep you grinning. Inside the car, the cabin is a real treat. At first, it may feel simple, but that's part of the charm. The interior has a minimalist, almost retro vibe, reminiscent of the original Nova, while still being packed with modern features. The dashboard layout is clean, with a digital display giving you all the necessary information, including performance stats and driving modes. The front seats are comfortable, offering plenty of support for longer drives, but they also keep you locked in when you're carving through corners. The materials used throughout the cabin are high quality, with soft touch plastics and premium stitching that you wouldn't expect from a sleeper car. The rear seats are spacious enough for adults, making it a great option if you're looking for a daily driver with some hidden performance flair. Of course, you've got all the tech you need: Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a top-notch sound system, and a suite of driver assistance features to keep you safe. When it comes to the driving experience, the 2025 Chevy Nova Sleeper feels incredibly balanced. Its handling is sharp and precise, offering plenty of feedback from the road. The suspension does a great job of absorbing bumps, giving you a smooth ride, but you'll still feel the car's connection to the road when you push it hard. This car truly does feel like a sleeper. Nothing about the exterior really suggests it's packing this kind of punch under the hood. It's all about delivering an unassuming driving experience with a twist when you really want it. As for pricing, the 2025 Chevy Nova Sleeper starts at around $30,000 for the base model, which gives you an impressive amount of performance and features for that price. Of course, there are different trims and options to consider, and with a fully loaded Nova, you could push the price closer to $40,000. Still, when you consider the performance and tech packed into this car, it offers a lot of bang for your buck. It's the kind of car that you could drive every day, but it's also the one that's going to surprise a few people at the stoplight. So, if you're in the market for a car that doesn't shout about its performance but can definitely deliver when needed, the 2025 Chevy Nova Sleeper is definitely worth checking out. It's got that perfect blend of power, style, and practicality that makes it an incredible sleeper. Whether you're looking for something to enjoy on the open road or just need a car that can handle the daily grind with a bit of spice, this new Nova is worth a closer look. That's it for today's review, folks. Let me know your thoughts on the 2025 Chevy Nova Sleeper in the comments below. Is it the sleeper you've been waiting for? Or are you more of a flashy performance car kind of person? Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.